Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is biofuels. These are liquid or gaseous fuels primarily produced from biomass. These can be used to replace diesel, petrol or other fossil fuels for transport, stationery and other applications. The crops used to make biofuels are generally high in sugar, starch or oils. Some of the examples are Jatropha, Carcass and Karanja. These are classified into three generations. The first generation biofuels are made from sugar, starch, vegetable oil or animal fats. The second generation biofuels are produced from non-food crops such as cellulosic biofuels and waste biomass. And the third generation biofuels are produced from microorganisms like algae. Some of the benefits of biofuels are it reduces vehicle emission which makes it eco-friendly. It is made from renewable sources and can be prepared locally. It increases engine performance because it has higher cetane numbers and as compared to petrol and diesel. Also, there is increased safety in storage and transport because the fuel is non-toxic and biodegradable. Also, it reduces our import dependence and it contributes to reduction of greenhouse gases. Now, let us discuss about National Policy on Biofuels 2018. This policy categorizes biofuels as basic biofuels such as first generation bioethanol and biodiesel, advanced biofuels such as second generation ethanol, municipal solid waste, and third generation biofuels like bio-CNG. This enables extension of appropriate financial and fiscal incentives under each category. Also, the policy allows for use of surplus food grains for production of ethanol by blending with petrol with the approval of National Biofuel Coordination Committee. Also, the policy encourages setting up of supply chain mechanisms for biodiesel production from non-edible oil seeds and used cooking oil. Now, let us discuss a question based on this. It is possible to produce algae-based biofuels, but what are the likely limitations of developing countries in promoting this industry? Statement number 1. Production of algae-based biofuels is possible in seas only and not on continents. This statement is false because the land unsuitable for agriculture is used for algae-based biofuels production. Statement number 2. Setting up and engineering the algae-based biofuel production requires high level of expertise and technology until the construction is completed. This statement is true. Next, statement number 3. Economically viable production necessitates the setting up of large-scale facilities which may raise ecological and social concerns. This statement is true because the land allotted to algae-based biofuel producers instead of food crops reduces the amount of food available for humans. So the answer is B, 2 and 3 only. Thank you.